One time for the one time. Go ahead. Can we do this? One time for the.
I'm your boy Trick Pimp. I'm finna show y'all how we make it rain while you sleeping.
It's like a thunderstorm.
One,
What?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
He ain't even awake to enjoy this.
7.
It's like being at the strip club with no nakedness.
9,
And he awoke.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
How you feeling right now, Corey?
19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Hey, at least it ain't hailing on you.
And I'm off one. $500. You owe me $20.
How you feeling right now? You won 1,000 and then lost how much?
Hold up. She ain't even won 1,000 yet. Watch this. Excuse me, Corey. I had to prove a point, buddy.
Let me count that.
Oh, go ahead. It's all right. Here you go. Matter of fact, do that for me.
This is what.
We gonna pay $500 pickup for my time. While I'm finishing up the other day. You do that for me? It's $500. Could you get that? Could you scoop all that for me? You know what I'm
Can
saying?
you pick that up over
No,
there?
you said 1,000. You said is that 1,000?
No, exactly.
And I said it's 1,000.
No, it's 500. So far you owe me $20. Now,
Oh gosh.
but I owe you 1,000, right? Because this is how much? This is how much?
It's